here we will put a picker view. Let me go to the library, the object library. Picker, we have date picker and picker view. Let's get the picker view here. You see how the picker view looks like. It's like picker view, not drop down, but we don't have a drop down. Okay, this is the picker view. Let me take its outlet and the view controller and put it up with the outlet. Where is it? It's here, so let me call it drop connect. We have now the drop and we will use it. First of all, the view controller, which is inheriting from UI view controller, we need to add more classes to inherit from. Not I, UI picker P picker view delegate, we need this one, and UI picker view data source. Where is it? Picker view data source, this one. We need these two classes. When we add these two classes, we will get an error. Why? Because we need to add functions. You need protocols, so yeah, fix to get these protocols. When you click fix, you will get two functions. One is number of components and picker view. The number of components returns integer. The other one, picker view number of rows in component, it returns integer. What does it mean, number of components? It means the components in the menu. Now, the menu is showing what? The menu is showing the product name. If I want the menu to show like two parts, the item, not just the product name, I want to show the product name with the price. So it's two. Number of components here depend on how many components in the row. The picker view has many rows. The user can pick one of these rows. The one row, how many components does it have? For now, let's say it has one component. So here, return one. What is this one component? It's the product name. Okay. How many rows? What do you think? How many rows we should have in the picker view? Yes, I'm sure you know. Yes. Number of products in dictionary, the array length, the array count, exactly. So, what's the name of the dictionary? Products. Here, by the way, guys, we have to do something. We need an array with one component. This dictionary has two components, so I want one. Let broad names equals sanitizer, comma, mask, comma, gloves. This is M, not comma. Gloves, comma, face shield, comma, soap, and hair cap. Why I'm doing this? Because I need the broad names to be the source for the picker view. Now, doesn't matter products.count or broad names.count because they both have the same count. Broad names dot broad names dot count. Okay. These two functions are to set up the components. How many rows, how many components. Now we need to return the real component. We need another function. There is a function for the picker view returns string. So function picker, here we have many picker view functions. Search for the one that return string, this one. What it has to return? It has to return prod names of what? Of row. Here, if you look, we have title for row. It's integer. So row here represents the index. Now it's ready. It's ready to show, but it will not show. Let me show you. It has to show us the components, but it will not. Because there is one more thing we should do, but I want to, where am I? Picker, it did select row. Yes, this one. What is happening? We need to show the author name, the price, the availability. Three things. The author name in B author. B, capital B. B author. B author dot text must equal what? Book list of row dot title. No, dot author. And B price dot text equals book list of row dot price, but I have to convert it into string because it's not string. The availability, I don't want to show true or false. I want to show yes or no, not true or false. So if I put B capital, eval dot text equals string book list, book list of row dot available. This is showing true or false, but we don't want to show true or false. We want to show yes or no. Let's have a look here, then we will get back. Why it's too far down? Swift for beginners. Okay, so it works here. It's showing, but I will change the simulator. Let's keep up with the iPhone 11. Okay, what I have to do, guys, here it will show true false. I don't want it to show true false. So what I have to do, if exactly, if what? Book list of row dot available. What's the name of the text view? B eval dot text equals yes. Else B eval dot text equals no. So it's working, but let's go back to the, what do we have here? We don't have anything. Why it's done? No problem. Let's go back and make all of these without border and disabled to not be able to change anything. Okay, that's why it's down, because I made them down. I wanted to show the picture image up. Okay. Let's show the image here of the selected. Okay. the author here. Where is the properties? No, not this. I want the properties. Where are the properties? Where are we? Where is ISBN? The author. What is happening? I don't want this. I want the properties. The properties. Okay. The author without border and disabled. The price disabled and without border. The availability without border and disabled. Okay. What else? I need an action for the text field. Now let's split. I need an action here. The action, of course, will be down as a function. It could be here. Get book. Don't forget to change here to editing changed and show both sender and event. Connect. Let's see the running. Oh, okay, I already saw the running. Now the user enters the ISBN. We need to search for what? For the price and the image. No, the price, the author, the availability. Price, author, availability. First of all, we need a message. We need a message. You know what? Let's forget about the message. Let's directly suppose it's not empty. Suppose the ISBN is correct. How to search? The user will enter the ISBN where? In the B ISBN. I need to find a match. So what I have to do? What I have to do? I have to go through the list book if book dot ISBN equals B ISBN dot text after converting to integer because it's integer double equal That's correct. Cannot confirm binary unstructured. It's integer, right? Here in the book. Yeah, it's integer. So if we find it, we need to show. What we will show in the price, the B price dot text equals book dot price, but it has to be converted into string because it's double. And the availability, we will check if book dot available, the B aval dot text equals yes. Or let's do it like how Sayed did it here. So without if, just B aval equals book dot availability yes. No. B aval dot text. Without space. Still wrong. Cannot assign value of boolean to type string. Okay. Boolean to string. I have to put question mark. Let me see, what does it say? Cannot use optional true or false. Let's return back. Don't waste the time of this. So if book dot available B aval dot text equals yes. Else B aval dot text equals no. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Book availability should be compared with true or false. No problem. You can do it. You can figure out how to do it in one statement. Now the user enters the ISBN, and upon the ISBN, we will fill in the price and the author name. Let's see if it works or not. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Nothing. One. Where's the author? Didn't I get the author? No. So the price is here. Okay. The author. B author dot text equals book dot author. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, three. Sayed 70 available, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. Kerna 75 available, yes. If I choose from here, it's changing. If I change from here, it's changing. So it's changing here and there. If you change the ISBN, it will be changed down. If we change the picker view, it will be changed down. Let's get some pictures and show them here. It's easy. It's very easy. Swift for beginners. Save image as Swift for beginners. Here, let's do a little change. I will name it Swift, just Swift. Or what do you think? What do we use? The title? Maybe we use the ISBN. or maybe anything, just a Swift. Save image as Java. Python for beginners. C#. Swift, Java, Android, Python, C#. Okay. Now what I have to do, I have to import all images here from the desktop, C, Python, Java, Android, Swift. I can go to the book here and add var image string, and here I will add comma img string, then go to the view controller. In the fill data I have to add the image name, comma img Swift, comma img, what is this in Java? img, what's wrong with img Java? Image Java, here, comma image, what is this? Android. comma, image, Python. The last one is comma, image, what, C#. Now I have the name of the image. Self dot image equals img. What we need to do, we need to add it in the picker view here. What's the name of the image? B-image. B-image, yes. B-image dot image equals UI image named. The name is what? Book list of row dot image. Okay, the same for here. B image dot image equals UI image named book dot image. Let it run. Dentist. There's a problem with names. Let me see. Android C Sharper. Oh, Java, Python, Swift, Java. Okay. So C sharp, I make it C sharp. What a mistake. Okay, let me change names. Java here I make it capital, it's small. And C sharp, I made a mistake. Okay, let's run again. Java, Python. Okay, let's try here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. 1 is Swift. 3, Android. 4, Python. Here we return back to Android. C#. Okay. Questions? Questions, guys? No questions? Do you have any questions? Do you hear me? You don't hear me? Do you have any questions? I asked, do you hear me? And Elmi said no. Let's start over. Do you have any questions? Do you hear me? If I ask you, do you hear me? And you answered no, it means yes. How come I ask you, do you hear me? And you say no? Okay, guys, it's enough for today.